How is it going, traders? Welcome back to the new video. This video will be a trade breakdown or top-down analysis of the trades that I took this week in EUR USD and NQ. So starting up with the first trade here on NQ daily chart. Going into the Monday, we are inside a consolidation range. I will mark out the consolidation range high and the consolidation range low. I do not have any buys going into new week until either side of the consolidation range is broken. On Tuesday, we do have the candle 2 closure, but that closure is not that strong and we have failure swing above us. So I don't want to see the either side of the range to be manipulated. Now going into the Wednesday, we have broke through the consolidation range low and then closed inside the range. So I would target consolidation range high is my target, and since this candle is too large, I can mark the 50% up its wick for the next day to continue to the upside. Now going into the next day, we had an open low high close candle respecting the 50% up this week. Now on the midweek reversal week, I would want to see the Thursday and Friday continuation. So I will play the Friday's continuation to the upside, and I will mark the 50% up the previous candle as my point of interest. Going into the Friday's price section, I would want to see an open low high close candle or a bullish candle. Now on the hourly time frame, we do have that Wednesday reversal, but we do not have the change in the state of delivery signature, and 50% of the previous day is my point of interest. Now for the Friday, I would want to see an open low high close candle or a bullish expansion candle. Going into the Friday, we do have an order block from the previous day, the closure above it. Now I can use this order block as a point of interest to continue higher, and we have created the low of the day overnight, and we have SMT divergence with the ES. Now for this candle, we have created the wick of this candle inside this order block. Now going into the New York session, I would want to see an expansion to the upside. Now for the continuation entry, I would go to the 15-minute time frame. Going into the New York session, which is from 8:30 to 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I would want to position myself, and in this type of entries, I could position myself before the 9:30 or the New York opening, because the low of the day is already established and I do have continuation order block to trade off. Now right at 8:30 in the kill zone opening, I do have a continuation order block, a closure above this down close candle. I could enter on the next candle, my stop below this order block low, and I could target the consolidation range high or just 2R. Now right at the New York open, my target is achieved, and the price did go for the consolidation range high on the daily time frame. So this was the first trade review of NQ. Now we will go over the second review, which was from EUR USD. So the second example of the EUR USD, going into the Monday, we are expanding in one direction. So I want to see another phase of price delivery to unfold, to either trade the continuation to the downside or a reversal to the upside. So skipping the Monday's price section, we do have the candle 2 closure and a closure below the up close candle, which is an order block. Now I could play the Tuesday and Wednesday as a continuation to the downside, and I could target these daily lows as my target for the continuation. So going into the intermediate time frame, this high is a protected high because we have closed below the daily up close candle or the order block. So on the next day, I would want to see an open high low closed candle. Now on the hourly chart, we do have an open high and a closure below the series of up close candles. Now I could enter on the next candle, or I could look for continuation order block for high RR. Now on the next candle, we closed below the propulsion block. This was the original CHT order block and this is the propulsion block. So now I could enter on the next candle, my stop above this propulsion high, and I could target the daily lows. Now my objective is reach, and on the way I could trade my stop loss to this new daily high. And the next day we also had an open high low and close candle. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and do like the video, and let me know in the comment section if you want more top down analysis or trade breakdown videos like this.